Hi guys, today I have a pack of 2 tags. So this works for Android and iOS. It's a pack of 2, and again, it will work with Android Hub or FindMy tag in this case. It's really good. You can have it on your keys, on your bicycle, on your wallet, on your backpack, you name it. They are really cool. They are really small. They are just like black dot, as you guys can see here. So let's see what's inside of the box and let's talk about this. So they are a smart tracker tag for Android and iOS. They are a pack of 2. They work with Apple FindMy or Google Find Hub app. They have a loud sound, replaceable battery. They are for keys, luggage, suitcase, backpacks, wallet, you name it. They have a dual system compatibility. They work seamless with both iOS and Android. Another good thing is, for example, if the tag disconnects from your phone, it will be marked as lost in app. If someone finds it, they can view your contacts and return it to you. Right guys, this is a really good product. I have it in my keys, as you guys can see it here. I'm always losing my keys, and with this, easily I can see where I left the keys. For example, you can also have it on your wallet, inside of your wallet, or if you have a kid like myself, I normally give this to my kid and he will go on the bike ride, and then I can see it on the phone where he is at. It's a really good product, really cheap, and in my opinion, is worth the money.